Hey guys, in my last presentation of the Ring Wi-Fi Video Doorbell Pro, we completed the physical install. It's been 10 months of using the device and I thought I'd share some of my likes and dislikes and why I only give this popular doorbell 3 out of 5 stars. So let's jump right in. Let's talk about what I like about the device. The app setup. To get the doorbell working with the app, simply download it from the App Store or Google Play. Power up the doorbell and then launch the app from your smartphone.
Welcome to Ring, the world's most advanced doorbell. Follow the instructions in the Ring app to continue.
The setup will take you through creating an account, selecting your device and doorbell type. Next, jump onto the doorbell's Wi-Fi network connection and share your home Wi-Fi with it.
Your Ring Video Doorbell is getting ready to connect to your Wi-Fi network.
And that's it. The app and the doorbell will literally talk to you and show you through the final steps.
Your Ring Video Doorbell is now up and running.
I don't think it could be any easier. Great use of icons and keeping the instructions simple. Number 2, quick notifications. I like how I get a notification within a second when somebody presses on the doorbell. Number 3, image quality. The image quality most of the time is good and the colors are fantastic. Number 4, I like the idea of being able to see and talk to somebody right at my doorway from anywhere in the world. Ring is going down the right path here, but there are a few other followers and they may be taking over soon. Number 5, I'm glad there's no router configuration involved. No need to open up any ports or log into my router, it just works. Number 6 is night vision. Yes, there are 3 IR lights included within the Ring doorbell and they allow you to see in the dark. And number 7, the camera angle. It's about 180 degrees, which is very wide. You can see somebody approaching your doorway and you can see facial features once they arrive on your doorstep. And lastly, number 8 is the customer service. My doorbell one day lost connection with my Wi-Fi, and after about an hour of debugging, I sent them an email. They immediately responded, and within a few days, I had a brand new Ring doorbell in hand. They provided me with a prepaid envelope to send the old one back. Again, it was a super easy process. So that's 8 things I like about this product. Why is it 3 out of 5 stars? First of all, let's dig a little deeper into the image quality. The picture is often jumpy and contains trailers. It's not a smooth video. My network and network connections are both strong and I've tried it on both a 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz network and I get the same results. I don't understand why it's so slow. My security cameras work on the same network and there's little to no lag there. I wonder if it's an issue with the doorbell's weak processor. Second of all, speaking of delays, the time it takes for the image to actually come through after somebody rings the doorbell is about 15 to 30 seconds. And especially if there are 2 users trying to access the Ring doorbell at the same time, it's even slower. This is a huge downfall. By the time the app and the doorbell connect and start streaming the video, I see people driving away. I'm not sure if the issue here is internal to Ring and their slow servers, but it's a huge issue. Third is the subscription fee. Doorbell events cannot be saved on a local computer. If you ever need to go back and look at the footage, you need to have a paid subscription to a cloud service, and that costs a minimum of $30 US per year. No thanks. My elaborate security system I have at home does everything I ever would want it to do and more, and I don't pay any subscription fees. Number 4, after owning my doorbell for about 4 months, I realized I wasn't getting any notifications. Long story short, it dropped off my network. I reset the doorbell, I tried to connect it multiple times to my Wi-Fi, but it just would not connect. Unfortunately, there was no notification, no flashing lights, nothing to let me know that there was a problem, and I thought everything was fine for about a week. And lastly, for those of you who watch my channel, you know I'm passionate about having wired connections. If this was a PoE device, I'd like to think I wouldn't have experienced so many dislikes with this doorbell. So it seems like Ring has put a lot of money into marketing, customer service, and the application process flows, but really cheaped out on the internal processing behind the device and possibly their own servers. I often get the Ring app updates in an attempt to try to make things better, but I haven't seen any performance changes yet. I like to check in on it every now and then as a security camera, but the delays as a video doorbell have me looking for another solution. I hope that you found this information helpful. Please give the video a thumbs up if you have, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.